Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on Bitcoin and Matic, Ethereum, Cardano, DOT. We are going to do those because they had some crazy moves. I mean, we had a huge. The reason that I put DOT in there to begin with because of the short squeeze, and I missed it, so I'm very disappointed about it. But it did happen yesterday, which if anybody was in it, that was awesome. But I didn't get to trade it, and I didn't get to trade Cardano or Matic. So I missed those moves yesterday. I got some Bitcoin, and that was it. And I missed Ethereum too. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. So I didn't do videos on those yesterday. But we got the squeeze. So we're going to go over those videos. We're going to go over those Matic, DOT, Ethereum. Of course, Bitcoin's always number one. Okay, because without Bitcoin, the reason I concentrated so hard on Bitcoin yesterday, well, of course, because I mean, Bitcoin goes, everything goes, right? So, and everything, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. All right, with that out of the way. Now, I did something for you guys different today, right? I wanted to draw this out by using this line right here. It's called path, okay? And you can draw it out, and then when you're done drawing it, you can keep drawing as long as you want, and then you double click it, okay, to make it stop, all right? So that's how you get it to stop. But anyways, I wanted to draw out all the highs and lows, okay, because those are the most important. Like if we break this will be the most bullish thing, okay? We break this previous high, that will be the sign that Bitcoin is going up a lot. It's going to 50 grand, in my opinion, or higher. Okay. I cleaned up some of these charts for you. But you can see where we have high, low, okay, resistance here from this. Okay, look, this is where we got shut down, right? We talked about this 34 area yesterday, exactly where we got shut down. Okay, and right now, I wanted to touch on this because we are showing a little bit of weakness. I mean, everything's still looking good. We got a heck of a bounce here. We had a little rollover. It's not a big deal. But we currently are under the 3,300 area. Okay? So we're currently under that. So we get a 4-hour close under that. We got it. Well, we got to close, but now we got to. This next candle needs to close above it. All right, to stay bullish here. We don't want to see it close. I mean, this is still looking bullish regardless. We get a bounce here, or we go down to even this level and get a bounce. All right. Actually, I'm going to draw these two levels too because we got bottom, of course, right? We got bottom there. We also have this level here. Okay. So yeah, let's just keep that in mind. So we want to break these levels. Now this can act as support. Okay. This can act as resistance. This can act as resistance. This can act as resistance, all right? These levels, I drew this box because there's a couple touch points here, all right, that we have to break this to even attempt to even get up to the 38 and to push that 41 level. So I just wanted to get that out of the way, guys, with Bitcoin. We're still looking good. I mean, it's still bullish. Yeah, we got rejected here. Shorts came in. And I also want to show you on the ribbons, okay? If you guys don't know how to do this, you go to templates, and this is all free. You go to MAEXP ribbon. This is all free on TradingView, okay, guys? So everything I'm doing, I'm not giving you guys any fancy things where you have to pay for anything. This is all just free, okay? And I cleaned this chart up too, so some of these lines are a little bit off. But anyways, we still got the 333 left that level there. But yeah, you can see here on the hour chart, we are flipping over. So this is kind of showing bearishness. We want to be above this always, right? So in the hour chart, we're showing a little we're a little bearish. 4 hour, we came up, we came down. Now we might have to fight this moving average here. Okay, the bottom of this might act as resistance. So let's keep that in mind. First, we need a candle, 4-hour candle to close back over the 3,300 mark, right? So, or we could be fighting in this range. Okay, so Just to keep that in mind, guys, that we are looking a little weak, okay, on Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum, we nailed our levels, okay. Let's see. I did clean this chart up. Okay, I did clean this chart up. It was getting out of control, guys. I had to start cleaning some things up, all right? So we have the bottom here. We have our level of support here. We talked about this level the other day in my video, the 1854 level. Okay. For some of you guys that got in, even after I made my video, I think it was at like low 1900s. So you guys could have made money here as well too and moved your stop loss up. And now we are getting the rollover. We see a little M pattern right here that broke. Okay. Let's see what that target. Now, sometimes they don't meet the targets, but let's just see where this target would be, right? So I hate the trading view. This is the only problem. These clicking. All right. It didn't lock us up. All right. So now we go to the bottom of this move. Okay. So we could potentially be going back into the 1800, 1890 area. Okay. For a target. But we are getting a bounce here. So that is good. So maybe the bulls are just saying, hey, no, we're buying it at these levels. Okay. So that could be a possibility. So we might not get to this level. Or we could get down to this 1854 level again and bounce. Okay, so let's just keep an eye on it if we get rejected here. So that's something else we're looking for. But everything's still looking good. Matic, what a hell of a move. This is disappointing that we actually missed these moves. I mean, guys, look at this. Whew. 34%. Oh, my God. And we nailed the targets, too. I mean, guys, this from yesterday, okay, we nailed these targets. I mean, Jesus, I wish I would have traded this. And then this, okay, today, I mean, 21% move. Good God. I mean, that's why I love Matic, guys. It's just, it'll drop you quick and put you to your knees, but it'll make you a lot of money as well. So, love Matic. Where are we going with Matic? Let's look at the hour chart and see if we have any patterns going on here. We had an M pattern here that broke. Okay. Did we meet the target? Let's look. From the top. I don't know if I can get, for some reason, I got to fix this lock thing here. All right. So M pattern here. Oh, what just happened? Oh, my God. It didn't. My hand is a little bit unsteady, I guess, right now. Let's see. Let's get this right here. Come on, baby. It likes to lock and do weird things sometimes. What is going on? I'm trying to drag it, guys. It's not letting me drag. This is ridiculous. Okay. Maybe we met the target, and that's why we're bouncing. Let's look. Come on. What? This is my last attempt, guys. All right. So now, can I drag this? Can I drag it? Can we drag it? Yes, we got it. All right, so now a little higher because we want to go at the bottom of the move, right? So, oh yeah, so we did. We met the target there. Okay, so that target was filled. So maybe now we just got to get close above this 115 area again, right? Maybe an hour candle close above that to start pushing up back up to this level up here. Okay, the 123, 125 area. All right, so just keep an eye on that for Matic. All right, so that's where we're at with Matic. Can we draw anything special? You know what, though? This was a long-term trend. Let's look at this. Because this was a long-term trend we had. Did we get rejected there? So we're going to expand this. Okay. So we're going to go to the right. Yeah, we actually didn't close above it. So we still want to see a close above this trend. We had wicks, but we get a close above this, then we can use this as support, right? Ride this thing up. All right, so keep that in mind on Matic, guys. All right. So that's where we're at with Matic. Okay. So now we covered Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. No, we didn't do Cardano yet. Cardano. I did clean this chart up. We kept some of our big moves here because these were fun moves, right? Yeah, so we got our rollover right here. Let's see, and this is because there was some resistance back here on the 4 hour. It did touch. We're getting the rollover. Let's look at the hour. Was there an M pattern there too as well? Yeah, it does look like it, and it broke. Okay, it looks like we did meet the target. I mean, I can just eyeball that and tell you guys that. So let's see if we retest this 125 and get rejected, or what we happen here. This would, of course, would be our buy zone or our nice support zone. We don't want to break under this, right? We could get a bounce off the 112 if it gets a little ugly here. All right, so keep that in mind. And you guys can always do tricks like this to know if you're going to go downhill. But we got to take that extender off. Okay. Boom. And we're going to take that extender off because I want to keep that on for everything. All right. So you can, oh, Jesus. You can draw trend lines like this. Okay, guys? You can draw trend lines like this. So if it does break down, at least you can, take some profit. You can buy back in cheaper if you want, or whatever you guys want to do. Okay, that's all up to you guys. All right. But these are the levels we're looking at, especially up in this area. We want to break this 145. So then we can get up to this 160 area. Okay, 161 area. All right, so keep that in mind on Cardano. Okay. Now DOT. Jesus, guys. I cleaned this whole chart up because it was so amazing. It does look like, let's see, hour. We're going to go to the daily, okay? Because the reason that I put DOT on here, and I added this to our program that I've been doing on my channel, was because there were so many shorts, okay, that were shorting, okay? There were so many shorts that were shorting this. And then yesterday, we had one hell of a squeeze, right? I mean, what happened here? Let's see, daily, okay? It went up to, let's see, it dropped here, boom, went here. So, wait, what are we on? Binance? I know it was on Coinbase, I believed it happened on. Let's look. Let's look at Coinbase. Polkadot, Coinbase, right? Let's look. Yeah, Coinbase. See, this is what I mean, guys. It's weird. You go on different platforms and there's different prices. So on Coinbase, which a lot of you, I'm trying to keep everything on Coinbase. I'm trying to keep it where most people trade and everything's simple. Guys, look at what happened on Coinbase. It got all the way down to what? 12, 13? Guys, and then the short squeeze hit because everybody was trying to short it on Coin. Look at this. There was a big short attack and they got squeezed out. 74%. Okay, got squeezed. That actually hit the news. That was a big deal. I mean, 74% move on Coinbase, which is insane. So there's not much data here we can go off on Coinbase because it just got listed. Let's look at the hour chart. Maybe we got something there, but holy camoly, man. And I missed that one. That was a nice one. 74% on Coinbase. There was a little squeeze that happened, and it pumped. That's for sure. So, we do have an M pattern here too as well, which broke. So what happens is when you have this M pattern, okay, and I'll draw this up for you guys. I'm not going to make this video too long, but I want to give you guys just everything basic, okay? So we have this M pattern. Look, we draw it, boom. We go here, boom, okay? Then we have the line in the sand where we don't want to break, okay? And the way you get your target is you start from the top of the pattern. You don't have to start at the wick here because that's a little bit just where the most touches are, okay? And you come back down to the bottom of the M, okay? The middle of the M. Okay, then you drag it down, and that's kind of where you'd get your target. Actually, I'll put it up a little bit right there. So yeah, we almost hit the target. The bulls stepped in a little bit early on it, but that's kind of how you get a little range. And we still could come down here and meet these targets. So keep an eye on that. So that's what we're looking at right now with with DOT, let's see. Do we see anything special? Let's look. Basically, we want this next green candle on the hourly to get above this trend and hold. That would be very bullish. Okay. But like I said, we are showing some weakness on Bitcoin. So we got to pay attention to all this. Okay. Now we can do something like this as well. Okay. So let's see if something like that can happen. But I mean, really, it doesn't matter. It just needs to hold this trend. It holds this trend and it stays above this trend, and you guys can ride this up. Okay. And of course, you'd want to break this area. Okay. That would be the area you'd want to get past. All right, the 16. All right, and then what can we hold as support? Let's look. What would be the line in the sand? I'm on Coinbase. This is a little bit different. We don't have much to go off of here. They don't give us much. This area and this area. Okay, so yeah, so right about here. We can bring that down just a little bit, actually. All right, let's try to get it as close as possible. Right there. So 114, we want to see how that holds. So in this range, you could be trading in this range here. Okay, guys? This could be the range that you guys trade in right here on DOT, okay? So let's just keep that in mind. If we break down, then, of course, the next two ranges would be here and here, okay? So there's a little, so we could draw a little box here, right? So let's do that. Draw a little box, okay? What happened? Whoa, 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 okay. So we could draw a little box there. All right, so that's DOT, okay? So we covered Ethereum, we covered Matic, we covered DOT, okay? We covered everything, right? Now let's just check Bitcoin one more time. We're still looking weak. We're still looking weak here. Now you guys can draw out, like I said, the highs and lows. We always, so this is what happens in charts. Right now we're trading sideways. So this doesn't really, it works trading sideways. You can see what happens when, we broke this level, we went up, or, but sideways action, this kind of works better when we're on a downtrend, but it still acts as resistance and support. As you guys can see, look, support, you can see resistance here. So that's why I drew it up. Now, if we were trading and this was a downtrend or uptrend, we'd have better trades off of these highs and lows. Okay, and I'll go through an example of that. But right now we're just going sideways, so there's not much action there. Okay, we could keep going sideways. All right, and I am going to do an update because there was something that I noticed in my charts that I'm going to show you guys later. I just want to make sure that I show you guys all the right information. So make sure you guys hit the bell, hit the all. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the all button so you don't miss my next video later that I'm going to do. But just keep in mind we are showing a little weakness. It's not over yet, but just keep all the levels that I talked about in mind, okay? Follow me on Twitter. I am at Moondog Trading 1. That's my Twitter. I'm also the Gunslinger on StockTwits, okay? You can follow me on YouTube. It's just Moondog Trading, one word, and just make sure you hit the bell and the all. And if you're on StockTwits and you go on here, you can click my video, okay? And then in the corner it'll say Moondog. You just click that Moondog and then just make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, okay? Because I just want to see the love. That's all I'm asking from you guys. All right? All right. Much love. Peace out. This video is about to end. And I love you guys. I know it was a little longer than usual, but make sure you guys subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks a lot for watching.